Welcome. So today we'll learn how to use Match Trader. So if you can see on the home screen, you can select your accounts from the drop-down menu here. You can see your current balance, your current equity, if you have any running trades, how many funds you have remaining, and what's your margin utilization level all over the screen. It's very easy to navigate the dashboard of the Match Trader, and you can see various features and functions here which are very easy to navigate. You can switch between TradingView or Match Trader's own charting. So if you are someone who loves TradingView a lot, you can simply use TradingView charts from the Match Trader platform itself. But since you're trading on Match Trader, I will recommend switching it back to Match Trader when you're doing it solely for trading purposes. You can see here we have an economic calendar which shows you the current news that is coming and the impact that it will have on your trading. So you can see the calendar over here, the top movers, the news, all simply from the dashboard. So if we come down, we can simply hover on the all symbols section here and see the available symbols that you have tradables. For example, we'll see commodities here, the commodities that you can trade from the Match Trader, the crypto pairs, the Forex pairs, and the indices, all simply from the all symbols section. But if you have a requirement to trade a certain pair, you can simply mark your favorite pair as a favorite. For example, if you want to trade Nasdaq and want to have quick accessibility to it, you can select it as favorite by selecting the star button, and it will come on your favorite section here. So you can simply select as soon as you log into Match Trader and navigate to Nasdaq and load it on your charts. So if you can see, I've selected some of my favorite instruments on the favorite section, and I can simply select them to trade easily. Now, how to place an order? You can simply, you have two types of orders. So you can simply go and select new order. You will see two types of order which we have available, which is the market order and the pending order. So first we'll explore how to use the pending order. So you can select pending order. You can set your stop loss according to the analysis. So for example, if I want to have a stop loss below here, you can also select your take profit, and I will select my take profit over here. And you can select your entry. So for example, if I want to enter above this level, I can simply have my pending order over here. So if you want to calculate the risk, you can also select the volume for here. Example, if I select 4 lots of Euro USD, you can see I will be able to risk 1.5% on this setup. If I want to reduce my risk, I can simply reduce the volume by selecting the minus button. Or if I want to increase my risk, I can simply select the increase in volume by pressing the plus button. I will recommend using less risk always. So I will, select 3 lots here to keep my risk under 1.5%. Or if I even want to go lesser, I will simply go with 1.5 lots to keep my risk around 0.5 to 0.6%. I can simply select buy stop, and it will ask me for a confirmation, which I can select as yes. If you are someone who wants to do quick trading, you can also turn off these trade confirmations. But I want to be a safe player, so I will always keep this option on. So I will confirm my entry here, and it will show my order in my pending orders. So when the price reaches here, it will immediately execute my trade with the select stop loss and the select target profit. Now, if you're someone who is a scalper and doesn't want to go through this whole process and want to take trades very quickly, you have the market order section for that. So we will explore that as well. So I will cancel this order. I will close the screen, or I can just simply, if I want to trade the Euro USD, I can simply go on market order again. And now you can see the pending order button has disappeared. Now we are simply remaining with the take profit and the stop loss. So the same setup, I can simply go without a pending order. So I just want to increase the risk in my trade. So I will increase my stop loss. I will increase my volume, so I will select 4 lots for here example and select buy. It will ask me for confirmation and I can just confirm and see my order has been executed successfully. I can see my live profit running from here. I can also see my open position from here, and if the trade goes in profit, I can close my position simply from here if I want to do an early exit. Sometimes you may feel like you don't want to carry this position because you have maybe taken a wrong entry or you're not believing in a setup anymore. You can simply exit this position very easily. You can just hover down and press the cross button and it will ask you to close the position. So you can close your position simply from here by pressing the confirm button. So this makes navigating your executing of the positions very easy. If you want to trade any other pair, you can simply select your pairs from here and trade on them. So if you have any help at any point of time, you can always reach out to our support team and we are always here to help you. Thank you.